Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8548. 8548. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And double 1, here no, there no. Well, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Now double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this, warriors. We really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute here with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Well, this one should be an easy one. Until then, bye bye for now.